Since I could not figure out how to expand the storage on the Linux VM, I'm going to see if I can speedrun creating a new Linux VM with more storage. So, I guess let's do that. Let's call it brush. We're going to be running Linux. It's going to be Debian 64-bit. Continue. Memory size is good. I want to move to the vertical machine. That's fine. Let's create an existing virtual disk now. Create. So now we're gonna just go with continue. Dynamically allocated. So now we're gonna do a fixed size. Let's go like 20 gigabytes or 30. I'm not quite sure how much this is gonna take up, but I'm not sure how much. Yeah. Yeah, this is, yeah. Let's give like 40 gigabytes to this. This does mean we're gonna have to, like, reinstall Linux on this, but that's probably gonna be fine. Let me hear about that. Okay, so now when we start, it will give us a thing that says we have to, I'll just do that. We're now gonna do the thing. We have an absolutely tiny window here, but we can resize said window. Hopefully, can we make it bigger? Oh, whatever. Okay, anyway, continue. All these are fine. I'll zoom in because it's tiny. I'm still like, I really hope this doesn't take another half hour like I did last time I tried to make a Linux VM. I'll just go keep the same host name, domain name's fine, configuring the network. Root password, Slinky, continue. Password for the user, let's go for notebook, just like last time. Notebook, these are just passwords for a virtual machine. It doesn't really matter that they're good passwords. Wait, oh, I just said Eastern time instead of Central time. Oops, whatever. That's probably fine. It's not like we're going to be using time zones. Partitioning the entire disk. Let's just go with that. Partition. All files in one partition. Users. Okay, now we can right change the disk. Sure. Now we're gonna have to wait for a bunch of installation steps. Because Linux has to install Linux now. Well, I'm not giving up just like because it's like it was working fine on the Linux VM. It's just that I could not figure out how to expand the space because it turns out 8 gigabytes was not enough apparently for the Linux VM. So creating a new one with more space so that hopefully we can actually get CMake to run the whole thing. Can you zoom in on a live stream? Oh! Oh, I, I just found out how to open the chat in the live stream. Now I can actually see the whole history and not just like one message. That's fun. And I can like cancel. Where's that? Oh yeah, I can just do that. Fun. Okay. Scan media. Please concern. Wait. Scan extra installation media. No. United States. Sure. Uh. 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 Wait. If you need to. Whatever. All right. Configuring apt. Oh yeah. Also, I know no one's watching right now, but uh, uh, okay, I will not be able to do any streams uh, for like a week or so after today. Uh, so that's why I'm like doing this today instead of just waiting till tomorrow to do that because I won't be able to do this for the next like week or so. Okay, what is this? Sure, whatever. At the moment, you're on the question files, so I'll just go with that. Okay. So I'm much faster than the first time. Or maybe it's not, actually. Um, and this is going to take a while. If 3 minutes is a while for you. So I'm going to read stuff about Catmull-ROM splines while we wait. All previously discussed methods of polynomial interpretation fit a set of n plus 1 given points yi equals f of I equals 0 dot 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 n by an nth degree polynomial, and a higher degree polynomial is needed to fit a larger set of data points. A major drawback of this method is overfitting, as demonstrated by the following example. Example: based on n plus 1 equals 11, equally spaced points from x0 equals negative 5 to x10 equals 5 with an increment of 1, a function y equals f of x equals 1 over 1 plus x squared can be approximated by any of the interpolation methods discussed by the above polynomial of degree n equals 10, as shown in the figure below. We note that the approximation is very poor towards the two n's, where the error r sub n of x equals f of x minus capital N of x is disappointingly high. This is known as Runge's phenomenon, indicating the fact that higher degree polynomial interpolation does not necessarily always produce a more accurate result, as the degree of interpolating polynomial may become unnecessarily high and the polynomial may become oscillatory. This Runge's phenomenon is a typical example of overfitting, due to an excessively complex model with too many parameters relative to the observed data. Here specifically, a polynomial of a degree too high requiring too many coefficients to model the given data points. Uh, Now we consider a different method of spline interpolation, which fits the given points by a piecewise polynomial function, s of x, known as the spline, a composite function formed by n low-degree polynomials, p sub I of x, each fitting f of x in the interval between x sub I plus minus 1 and I and x sub I, where I equals 0 to n, and we get this fun thing right here. S of x equals piecewise thing with several ellipses. I don't feel like figuring out how to say that. Um, as this method does not use a single polynomial degree of n to fit all n plus 1 points, um, it avoids high degree polynomials and thereby the potential problem of overfitting. These low degree polynomials need to be uh, such that the spline S of x they form is not only continuous, but also smooth. For S of x to be continuous, two consecutive polynomials, pi of x and pi plus 1 of x, must join at xi. P sub I xi equals p sub I plus 1 x of xi equals f of xi equals yi. Okay, and wonderful. I feel like this is going to take another half hour like it did first time, but that's fine. Actually, I'll set a timer. Well, whatever. Or equivalently, p sub I of x must pass through the two endpoints, i.e., p sub I of xi minus x sub I minus 1 equals f of x sub I minus 1 equals y sub I minus 1. P sub I of x sub I equals f of x sub I equals y sub I. For S of x to be smooth, they need to have the same derivatives at the point they join, i.e., p sub I superscript k of x sub I equals p sub I plus 1 superscript k of x sub I. Must hold for some order of k. The higher the order of k, the more smooth the spline S sub x becomes. S of x becomes. Oh, maybe I should have taken my advice from last stream and just done this off stream. That would have been smart, but I forgot to do that. Whatever. We're speedrunning here. We're speedrunning installing Linux on a virtual machine. That's new speedrun category I've come up with. Anyway, we will get there eventually, and then we'll figure out how to set up the shared folder. And the following means of the approximation f of x between any two consecutive points x sub I and x sub I plus 1 by a linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomial p sub I of x, the first, second, and third degree. And I don't feel like reading any more of this. I'm just gonna wait. Hello, person who just joined. I am currently waiting for a progress bar to progress. And then when that's done, I will click like one button and then wait for another progress bar to progress. And they left. That's quite fun. Alright, we're getting closer. Alright, almost there. We're almost there. We're gonna get there soon. And it has been 15 minutes of installing Linux. That is quite fun. 16.5. Okay, there we go. There we go. Progress bar finished. Now let's okay, alright. It seems like this new solution. Sure. Let's just do that. Okay, continue. Installing bootloader, finishing the installation. And then hopefully I'll remember how to set up the shared folder. Cool. Installation complete. Alright, now let's click continue. And we have finished in 17 minutes. And now we can boot up Linux. Cool. So that is the several tracks. And there we go, okay. And we made it. We are now in our user account. Oh. Okay. Can I resize the window now? Apparently not. Ah. Okay. Okay. Now for the fun part. We get to set up the shared folder, which is somewhat difficult. Okay. So how do we do this? So to do this, we're going to need to first power off the machine. And then we can go into settings, into shared folders, add a shared folder, select the folder path, other, go in here, find the thing. Sure, why not? Let's auto mount it, click OK. And then click OK again. And now we're gonna click the start button, and that should bring up our VM again. And where did my cursor go? Then it should start up. We can log in. I wonder if we can resize the window now. Can we do it? Can we? I guess not. Whatever. Oh. Wait. Oh, never mind. So now let's check our files. And I don't remember, okay. And I do not remember how I originally did that. So, Other locations. Oh, right. Shared folder settings. And then what we have to do, wait, no, not that. We have to go in here, and then we have to say, insert, wait. We have to click this, and then, there we go, there it is. Cancel. Now let's open this in terminal, and let's say, okay, I actually forgot what thing was. How do we do this? Should I? Okay, visual box. Okay. So something, I think we have to sudo something. Okay, how to add shared folder to Outlook. And then, right, I'm searching on YouTube. That's not what I watched. Was this the one? I can't remember. Oh, right, okay, wait. How to... Yeah, it was this one. And then... So it was on Debian. Okay, so... Alright, so we're in Debian. Then we do that. And what's the thing? Okay. So we need to sudo. So now we need to figure out, we just need to sudo. So to slinky. Now we have to say, I always figure out how to add sudo. How to add your enable sudo on Linux. Okay. So it was su, then, okay. Right, and then we have to restart the thing. Okay. So we have to root by running su usermod-ag usermod-ag. What? Okay, to enable sudo for your user die. Wait, what? What is this? What am I looking at? Enable sudo. What? Okay, /admin /user /add user username sudo. /admin /user /add user / and then we have to, then we just have to say ready and sudo. Okay, so there's control. So we were added to the group now. Now we have to log out and log back in. Log out. Now I can log in. I really hope I can get this done before the 30-minute mark. Now let's go to terminal. Okay, now let's like try sudo and echo. Wait. Oh, okay. Um, so now we have to write note book. Not in the sudoers file. This incident will be reported. Okay. Why am I not in the sudoers file? I can not remember. Why did that happen? Uh. Do we have to restart the whole system? We might need to. That's fine. Let's boot back up. Should really figure out, should really resize the thing because it is tiny. So are we in the sudoers file now? Great, we are in sudo now. We can now sudo. So I have to say sudo sh vbox linux editions.run. We have to change back to that directory we were in before. So let's go into here. Let's go in here and open in terminal. Sudo sh. Alright, we typoed the thing, I guess. Vbox sudo sh vbox linux add it ions.run. Oh, it's in here though. Like that totally that vbox linux editions.run. Huh? Why does that? It's a little strange. What? Wait, so are we in the? Are we in the right place? Okay, so over here. I guess we have to cd dot dot. There we go. And almost there. Now we can restart. And we're almost there. We just need to mess around with the permissions, and we should be good. We hit 30 minutes, but that's fine. Do a lower speed run in here where it just takes a while to. How do you open terminal? Alright, there we go. We have our Linux shared folder. So, reboot the system. The shared folder should be mounted. Change permission to the media folder. I will be right back. 1 second. Okay, and I'm once again back. Let's, I guess, okay, first, well, never mind. Let's just list/media. Nice, we have a shared folder in there. But if we try to list it, won't work. So we need to, okay. Yeah, and then we need to run 2 commands in the terminal, which are sudo usermod -a-g, I think, vboxsf midi. So that should be good now. Now we can say sudo chown -r midi :users /media. /sf _linux _shared _folder. Oh, I typoed it. How did I typo it? Oh, I misspelled media. That's fun. Alright, now it's going to do the thing. Alright, it did the thing. Now we can close our... We can just shut it down. And then we'll finally be ready to actually run it again. First, though, I'm gonna update the display to be a bit bigger. There we go. It's much better. Okay, we are almost to the point where we can actually start doing the thing as soon as we get the thing up and running. So we can open up terminal, ls/media Media. Nice! We did it! 35 minutes instead of an hour, so now we can actually work on getting the Audacity brush tool. I'm gonna delete the old shared folder here, the old build folder here. So we should seed each of this first. Okay, now we can RM dir. Directory not empty. Oh, I guess we're gonna have to, I guess we can just do that manually. Just boop. Okay, alright. Now we can list. Perfect. So, now we can begin actually looking at the building information. Right here. This is where the fun really starts. So first, let's go ahead and install our dependencies. So, sudo apt-get update. I think that just updates apt-get. And we just installed apt-get, so I don't think we should do that. Sudo apt-get install -y build sn TIAL cmake get python 3-pip. And now we're installing those dependencies. Still installing. There we go. Now we can install using pip3. Sudo pip3 install Conan. Okay. Now I have to do this last command, which I'm gonna have to figure out how to type. looks good. Install. Okay. Is kind of a repeating what happened last stream, but kind of just, yeah. I just really hope 30 gigabytes is enough. Alright, okay. We are almost there. Okay. That's all the dependencies installed. And now we can... Okay, clone Audacity from the... You already did that. Configure Audacity using CMake. Alright, the fun now begins. This is the part we've all been waiting for. mkdir build cd build. Now, we can have a look at that. Okay, now we're going to start running CMake. And I really hope that we've allocated enough space for this. There's only one way to find out, though. CMake-G. Unix makefiles. Unix makefiles. //Audacity. Are you ready? Nobody's watching, but I'm ready. It's going to happen soon. As in, right now. Okay, we are now running CMake. And I really hope that we have enough space for this. And I could probably check how much space we've used, actually. Storage. Okay. Oh, I forgot we said it's like 40 gigabytes. I really hope 40 gigabytes is enough. It should be enough. Should be enough. Should be fine. Let's now, I'm gonna zoom in on this. And, if somehow there's someone who's actually watching this in some way that doesn't show in the memory clip, actually I highly doubt that, but yeah, this is gonna take a while, so I'm just gonna set it up right here. There we go. This is the fun part. This is the part you've all been waiting for. We are now running the things. And now I just need to do something while we wait for this to finish compiling. Well, to finish, just need to wait for CMake to finish running. I know I don't know no one's actually watching the stream at this point, but like, okay, no one's watching the stream. But, I mean, some people are watching the replay, I guess. Shout out to the 2 people who decided to rewatch the replay of this really long, boring stream. If you hear this section, comment the words "possum" is short for element opossum. I mean, comment "opossum" is short for element opossum. And I will heart your comment, I guess, or something. I don't know. It's just you've just reached the first of 2 long waits of just waiting for code to execute. Just waiting for CMake to actually make the thing. This is, yeah, there's not really much to say, wait, I'm trying to adjust the tripod. Alright. I don't know, I guess I could, play music over this. I don't know, like, I guess no one's actually watching right now. But I mean, mm. All right, we're configuring sources. Unzipping, this can take a while. Copying sources to build folder, all right. Looking promising. We're making it. No Linux, deprecated no Linux information. Whatever. Just gonna be just lots of this. Lots and lots of this. I wonder how long before someone actually watches this. Actually, like, joins, like, starts watching again. That'd be pretty cool. I don't know, actually. I guess it's probably just gonna be, like, a lot of waiting. A lot of waiting here, waiting for Audacity. I genuinely forgot what I was even trying to do here. I forgot I was trying to, like, enable the brush tool in Audacity. That was... But we're getting there. We are definitely getting there. It's my last chance before, like, a week from now. Yeah, because, like, my next chance to, like, do this is gonna be, like, in a week, because I'm gonna be away from internet. But yeah. Just a lot of waiting, and then eventually... Like... Yeah. This is the first major step in building Audacity. With the... Why did I decide to do this? Just now realizing, why did I decide to do this? Like, it's just a brush tool that will probably get, like... The brush tool will probably be, like, put as a base feature into Audacity at some point, and I'm just like, oh, I want it early, I want to access the beta feature. And, like, by doing it this way, I'm only going to be able to access it by running a slow Linux virtual machine. That's fun. But things are certainly going well. Like, it's really progressing. Like, it's really progressing. Also, shout out to the one person who joined there. My question's been answered. Alright. Here we go. Really hope that we're gonna get farther. Alright, we've got like 1 megabyte of stuff in here now. Alright, that's fun. Yeah. Just running a Linux VM. I really hope I don't run out of storage this time. I don't know how it would use up 40 gigabytes, but... technically possible, I guess. Yep. Still, just lots of waiting. Like a really long... Okay. Don't know why I just said okay. There's not really much happening right now. Just the thing doing its thing. But at least, like, now that's actually relevant to the thing that we're doing. Alright, it's been 15 minutes of this stream. That's fine. We're gonna do this. It's gonna be great. Right. The camera's still, like, a little misaligned. Maybe it's the computer. We just need to, like, rotate it like that. Okay, we're good. Alright. More stuff is happening. Still a lot of just CMake running. I genuinely don't know how long this takes, to be honest. Like, I've run CMake before on Audacity on macOS. At a time when it didn't work, but I don't know how long it'll take on Linux. I also didn't time it on macOS, so Um, what if I put a sticky note on the thing to, like, if anyone joins to just know what's going on? Sorry if my handwriting is illegible. I'm gonna grab a pencil sharpener real quick. Where my pencil sharpener is. I do not know where my pencil sharpener went. Where is my pencil sharpener? I usually use the other pencil sharpener. The one that just had the thing fall off. Anyway. Let's sharpen a pencil. It's not ASMR pencil sharpening stream. Ugh. How do people speedrun sharpening pencils without the tip breaking constantly? Does it just do that? How do they deal with that? Maybe that is a problem. And just try and get it out. Get it out. Come on. Please don't turn off Linux. You're still running. I don't know why I said that. It's not gonna turn off. Like it's still running CMake. Well, I guess I did turn off that one time, but whatever. Come on, can you please get off? Please just. Am I gonna need another pencil to get this pencil let out? I might. Or just like something pointy to get like the pencil lead that's stuck in the thing. I don't know if you can see that. It's stuck in the thing. There's graphite on my finger. Wait, what if I just... What if I can't push it through the other way. I just need to... Maybe I should just look for my better pencil sharpener. I tried to get it out with another pencil, but the pencil out of that one broke now, so that's fun. I guess I could unscrew it, but I don't want to. Okay, that pencil is now... Okay, let's just try another sharpened pencil. Hope this one doesn't break. Be very careful with this one. I wonder if anyone else has just joined I didn't notice in the middle of this whole pencil sharpener thing. How do I get this out? It's really stuck. Might the only way just be to, like... I feel like at this point I should just grab a screwdriver and unscrew it. I don't know how, though, because it's like a... I don't know how. Wait. Like, how did they even screw it in? Like, the screws are, like, beneath a... How do they do that? Is it, like, not... Wait. Wait. Oh, wait. It might click out. Oh? Oh my gosh, I did it. I had to use a screwdriver, but I got the pencil let out of the pencil sharpener. That's fun. Alright, anyway, now we can actually sharpen the pencil again. Okay, I think that's sharp enough. Now I can actually write the note. If you can even read my handwriting. Can you see it? I feel like there I'll be fine. Can't see that. whatever. Oh, some stuff happened. Well, please don't tell me it filled up 40 gigabytes. That would be insane. Please just don't. Please do not have filled up. Okay. Operation not permitted. Okay. Is something happened? Wait, well, can you, I'm trying to figure out where you can put this where it's actually visible. Like, just like have to angle it like that. Actually, that works. All right. So what happened here? Why is it? Okay. All right. So configuring incomplete. Errors occurred. See also those two log files. So CMake error at CMake processes. Okay, first I'm pretty sure like it didn't fill up, which is good because filling up a 40 gigabytes would be insane. Like we're just compiling Audacity. But, like even the fact that it filled up 8, well, I guess I should have expected it to fill up 8 gigabytes, but anyway, can I just quickly check in settings how much we've used? Storage, this thing. Yeah, so our actual size is only 7 gigabytes. But there was an error while executing the thing. So, what was the error? CMake output.log, CMake error.log. So, CMake files, output.log and error.log. Okay. Let's open these in, text edit and see what the problems are. Checking whether ASM/NSM compiler is GNU using -- version did not match that thing. Client version. What? Maybe we just not cut out for this. Huh. Okay. Is GNU using -- version did not match GNU assembler GCC free software for simulation. About to hit an hour. Okay, so building C object, CMake files, us/bin/cc. What happened? Like, what happened? Okay, let's try CMake. What's in this output? Alright, I'll just try that again. Open in text edit. So what was, oh, this is long. This is extremely long. Warning. Clocks to detect your build may be incomplete. What were the errors, though? Like, what? Why did it not? Okay, so checking. Okay, that is strange. Make file / Audacity. By default, debug build will be configured. To change that past. Okay. Build Audacity. Okay. So configuring. Wait, so it was just a configuration. And the configuration failed. Run build commands. Run build command. Gmake warning file. Make file has modification. 0.76 seconds in the future. I mean, there's just a warning. Okay. What was the error? Are these just warnings? Return to exit status 1. Gmake, CMake that. Okay. So, something went wrong. What if I just tried running it again? Like, I don't expect this to work. It's just kind of just for fun. Yep. Configuring complete. Errors occurred. Fun. Extremely fun. Uh...
Let's go back, go back, go back, go back.
Compiling Audacity. Wait. Configuring Audacity Linux configuration incomplete. Cannot build on Fedora. Involving. Can't compile Audacity from source. I've done. Let's try building. Let's say here. Sudo outputs. Okay. Audacity's fork of the CMake build. CMake touch version. Okay, that option should get whatever. For WX we just run like run make before make install. I didn't even get that far. When I'm load, I get this output. Okay, so installed dependencies, cloned and built WX widgets, tested WX widgets with samples, minimal and widgets, all good. WX your outputs, cloned Audacity. When I'm running CMake, the thing, we get. Okay, so yeah, this person got errors doing that. I was just gonna call WX widgets CMake lists, but oh, CMake proxies slash So more info. Update on Audacity was helping with this. The first issue I can see is that build on Linux document is missing make command for WX widgets build. Secondly, I've explicitly specified the target location /configure. Secondly, I had to explicitly define the target location /configure with that, and then I'm still getting the same error with this. Okay, finally got it resolved. I had to delete the CMake cache file, CMake cache, and then ran CMake after that. What? I had to delete the CMake cache file. CMake. Okay, so. CMake. Okay. I don't expect this to actually work, but like, what if I just did that? Probably more to it than that. Maybe I need to like install WX widgets or something. Where is the file they were talking about? CMake cache. I just do that and then it's probably gonna just return the same error, but yeah, I don't know why I'm doing this. It's just gonna return the same error. Well, wait a second. Is it just yep, that did not work as expected. So CMake error. Okay, CMake error at CMake proxies, CMake modules, Conan message. Okay. So the error was there. Oh, maybe I should just Google this.
Ah! Ah!
The virtual machine window is now switched to scale. Wait, what? No, cancel, cancel. Oh gosh. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna just open up a. Why do I have Discord open still? Um. Let's just copy down what it says over here. So, CMake error at CMake proxies. Make. Okay, the stream might be. I might have just like lost connection to the stream, but that's fine. Uh. Cannot build Audacity due to coding requirements. Alright, this looks like the exact problem I'm having. Hi Dave, for this version, 3.1 is a requirement that must be filled. Please look at, for example, RPM build. As much of the Python software, Conan is managed by Python pip. Currently, they have a long open issue to package it as RPM. Conan is widely used dependency manager for C++ that is used for several years and helps to code. Okay, wait. So I maintain Audacity for open-source, and I've attempted to update to v3.03, but it refused to build without Conan. Conan execute. Okay, this looks like an entirely different thing. Like maybe I should specify the line number. Like it's at line number 638. Will this turn in results? Turns one result. This person was on Windows, but like, okay. But I think I've already installed the latest version of Conan. I've still not on Windows. I have the same problem on Linux. Field here. Disabling antivirus or not? I don't have an antivirus. Okay. Filed here. Disabling the antivirus or adding an exception for c/user/your username.conan. The temporary workaround using. Okay. What was the actual solution? Several times. Okay. Error. Right. Like, along with Python build tools, it stops at the same place every time. And no one ever solved this. Okay. I've never used Conan before, so I don't know how to debug them. Also, what? What's that stand for? This is what I got when I installed through pip. Apparently Conan suffers from race conditions 2 on Windows. That doesn't definitely know how to debug. Did I manage... but apparently couldn't API feature. Wait. Wait, what's the version of Conan that we want? Do we just, like, install the wrong version of Conan on accident? Access denied while renaming unzipped folders. What? Okay, they did manage to fix it in the end. But what they've done is create a new API for that tool start renaming instead of OS start renaming. Wait. So, what is going on here? Do we just, like, not have WX widgets or something? Do we need to install WX widgets separately? I've hit a few snags during the build instructions related to out-of-date Conan references and SSL certificates. In a nutshell, I had to use pip to uninstall, then reinstall Conan to get the latest version. Use Conan remote to remove and then add both Conan center and Conan center, both use pointing to Conan center.conan.io rather than previous targets. After... That scared me. after this, all was plain sailing. So is that does that solve it or something? I'm not quite sure what they did. Like, oh, this is okay. So this person was explaining their problem, and then the only instance of this. Okay, so Conan install failed one. 310, 3. It's different. This is okay. So right. So it's probably something to do with loading Conan dependencies through Conan or something. Ah, 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 ah. Okay. So my best guess is it has something to do with WX widgets. I need to like install WX widgets or something. CMake error. So okay, so the CMake error was here, but like, huh? Let me check the log files again. Um, source file was include data. Huh? Does this have what we want? Not sure. I mean, I guess I could just try installing WX widgets and seeing how it goes. Okay, I'm just gonna take this down. I'm not running CMake anymore. Okay. What? So what is the problem? Operation not permitted. Okay, okay, oh, okay. Permission error. Operation not permitted. Lib mpg 123.so.0.48.7 slash media slash 75 slash. So why was there a permissions problem? Let's. Is there more about an error if I scroll up? Is there more here? Okay, there we go. There we go. This is the actual start of the error that I probably should have started reading from. Operation not permitted. Okay. Wait, wait, wait. Oh, right. I have to do it. I type it in here. Error, colon. Error note 1. Operation not permitted, colon. Lib mp libmpg 123.so dot 0.46.7. Okay, and we can search for that in quotes. No results were found. Wait. Wait, what? 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 Oh, okay, so this is result for that without quotes. Oh, wait. Wait, what? Operation. So wait, what if I got rid of those like single quotes? Is that the problem? Okay, maybe I'll just like. Okay, that's also returns nothing. Uh, permission error. I guess I'll see what that is. Uh, hmm. Uh, all right. Doesn't look like there's anything helpful here. So let's just read through the whole error. So, was this at, uh, okay, it was at here. So, it was like at slash debug. Okay, what if I just searched that in quotes? No results found. Okay. So I'm gonna split. Okay, just split into 3 files. Did not mean to click on that. Strange. I have no idea why that's happening. So, traceback. Okay. Okay. So, all that was just a traceback. And then this is the error itself. So the error is that there was like a permission error. So why was that not? What was the problem here? So libmpg123.so.0. something. I can just check where that file is because it's in here. So it should be in slash build slash shared slash debug. So shared debug. There are several of them. Lib. Oh, wait a second. Am I looking in the right place? That isn't there. Wait. Undefined variable. Hmm. So... Huh. So... Has something to do with this thing, but I'm not quite sure what? Okay. Um... Okay. So that file just doesn't exist in here. So... Was the problem something to do with creating it? If we just like list shared slash debug. Oh, dash A. Maybe it's just hidden or something. Probably not, but just worth a shot. Yeah. It's all libwx and not libmpg or something. So, Audacity, Linux, libmpg. Um, well, okay then. Is this just a problem with me then? Um, that is quite strange. Scenic lists. That is weird. That is quite weird. Why is it? Why is this? So, okay, wait. So, is it like just copying the file, trying to copy that file into that folder and it didn't work or something? That's my best guess. I'm just not. That might not be the case or something. Yeah, I'm really stuck now. It's like not many people else are getting this error. Audacity, Linux, something. So, what was the problem? What could have caused this? So libmpg123.so.0. Why? Hmm. So, I guess we could check the trace back. See if there's anything there. Yeah. I don't know if streaming this was the best idea, but whatever. Okay, so... Um... Maybe I should have also just, like, tried doing this on a stable version instead of the most recent version. Maybe that was it. Maybe that's why I'm having trouble with this, but maybe it's completely unrelated. Just confused at why this could possibly be happening. I have zero idea of what it could possibly be. So, like... Okay, so created... Okay. Generate... What happened before this? So, generating N of generators generated Conan input at 16. Okay, so... Options. Full sentence. Full fires. That's not mentioned here, I don't think. Wait, oh, there it is, there it is, there it is. So... Switch from magic. Okay. Okay, so it's the MP3 importer? Or something? Why did it... Okay, that makes... It makes sense. Okay, so grab printer... Okay, so... Okay, so MPG 1 through 3 is just the... It's the MP3 importer that they switched to in 3.2. So... Linux, I guess, problems... MPG 1, 2, 3? Must include MPG 1, 2, 3. Audacity won't start. Ubuntu, MPG 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's just... This is the only one that mentions Audacity. Okay, so what happened? When did it mention image? And that's everything. It's only in these. Wait. Oh, MPG. Okay. So, I mean, not very helpful. What happened? So, reverse depends. So, apt cache link. So why did that happen? Why is okay, so something happened while something with MPG 123? I'm not quite sure. I'm honestly not even sure if this is like, at least on macOS CMake worked and it just like refused to do anything in Xcode. Here not even CMake's working, so that's making them scared for what would possibly happen later down the road. So is there anything with... What's in code file? Is it just... Like, what's in here? MPG 1 to 3, shared was true, network was false. So... Not sure. What's build info? Okay. This is long. slightly strange. What is going on here? Data slash Libsyn file. So I guess all I have now is that there was some sort of problem relating to this one specific, and I have no idea what that problem could have been. So, okay. Why was... Like, what was the permission error with this? What was the permission error here? What was the source of this permission error? Audacity won't... CMake? Linux. Can't... Okay, well, okay, I should probably just say build. Can't build... Can't launch Audacity after building from source. Can't even build from source anymore. Well... I'm trying to compile it from source. Note this 105 in local from file. I had Audacity installed via publish. Okay. Pop OS. Install. So I'm running Audacity 3 though, not Audacity 2. That is from a several ago. Audacity build configuration error Linux. Okay, this is from an older version of Audacity, but maybe it's gonna be something. What? Trying to come up. What? Okay, that is not actually helpful. Make error. Trying to compile my laptop. Ubuntu initial launch make. It received the error. This is the first step, and it's not even working. Configuration error with GCC compiler. Check Audacity. Configure processing. I get an error. Okay. Do I just like... Does it just not work on a virtual machine? Was that a mistake? Should I have just tried to do it on macOS? I guess I could check this. Oh, that's like the old thing. I think I already looked at. Okay. So... Okay. Oh. I wonder what this is about. You get the following error message when one of your Audacity configuration files... What? Is this... Does this have to do with compiling Audacity or installing it? Audacity settings not accessible. Okay, you get the following error when one of your Audacity... Okay. Audacity configuration error. Oh yeah, that's an entirely different thing. Yeah, so I'm gonna go back, delete configuration from the search. Version version. Could not read the comments. Version denied. I like Audacity very much. I use version twins. Okay, uninstalled and reinstalled version 3.0. A little weird. Thank you for the explanation. Okay. The dev version Audacity 2.3.3 is the current Linux build from Debian. Ubuntu is based on Debian and uses many packages from Debian. Debian is builds frequently lag. Debian builds frequently lag behind the latest releases, but are generally tested well. Wait a second. Does this mean what I think it means? Probably. Okay. So. Does the most recent version of Audacity just not work on Linux? Is that... Does it just not work on Linux? I'm gonna have to read this whole thing. Okay. I like Audacity very much, and I used a lot in Ubuntu. On my new Ubuntu partition, you can install 2 versions of Audacity. Okay. You can install 2 versions of Audacity directly from the Ubuntu distribution release. 2.3 and 2.4.2. I installed 2.4.2, of course, but when I want to open a file, I get this error. Could not read the thing. Cannot remember. Due to reported problems with Snapcraft Flatpak VPA versions on our current Mint user. Okay. Let's see. Ah, no, don't do that. Okay. So, okay. Alright, okay, so... Alright. Good. So, okay, so we can still do it. It is... Yeah. Chromebooks. Audacity does not run Chrome OS. Okay, system requirements. Voice version of Linux. 1 GB of RAM. So... Alright. Let's, should still be possible. Not giving up yet. I might have to just do some of this off stream. Yeah, I think this is by far the longest stream I've ever done. I think I will keep going, keep searching for a little bit longer, though. Okay. So, what is happening here? So cannot build... Okay, even though this Fedora might still be helpful. Cannot build 2.4.2 on Fedora 33. Current unknown. Configuring WS widgets. Reduce. You can use the package Audacity for your original Okay. Still not... Compiler, /USR plus. Compiler version, compiler standard, extensions. CMake. CMake build type equals release Audacity. Additional information, please include the following details. Additional context. I'm needing to build Audacity because the official Fedora build don't have MPEG support. Okay. I think I will just end the stream. I don't think, I've hit another difficult part, so I'm just gonna quit it. And, I guess I'll see you in a couple weeks. Oh, in a week when if I want to continue doing the streams, but okay.